If you're a freelancer, a project manager, or part of a small team, your workflow is likely more chaotic than it needs to be. A typical day is a nightmare of context switching. Conversations happen in WhatsApp, but main tasks are tracked in Asana. Client files are buried in Google Drive, and quick updates get lost in Slack threads that disappear into the void. It's exhausting, inefficient, and unprofessional. The search is always on for one tool that can simplify this. A tool that's more organized than a group chat, but easier and more intuitive to use than a monster platform like Asana or ClickUp. And that's what leads to Morningmate. In this video, we're doing a deep dive comparison. This isn't a sales pitch, it's a practical, experience-based breakdown of where Morningmate shines and how it stacks up against the tools you're probably already using. We'll cover the 5 key criteria that actually matter for a small team: setup and onboarding, tasking depth, collaboration, views, and integrations. And stick around to the end because there's a special 2025 promo that is frankly a bit insane. You won't want to miss it. Let's break down a typical project workflow and the frustrations that come with it. 1. Intake. A new client signs on. You have a kickoff call and define the scope. 2. Planning. That scope has to be broken down into milestones, main tasks, and subtasks. 3. Execution. Tasks are assigned to team members and progress needs to be tracked. 4. Collaboration. This is the messy part. Daily check-ins, quick questions, and feedback are scattered across chat apps. 5. Review. The client needs to be brought in to review the work. This is a huge friction point, often involving messy email chains or insecure links. Given that workflow, here's what a team actually needs from a tool. First, simplicity. It must be easy to set up. You can't spend 2 weeks training your team and clients. Second, consolidation. We have to stop switching between a chat app and a task app. Communication and tasks need to be in one place. Third, flexibility. You need to see projects as a simple list, a calendar, and a timeline or Gantt chart. Fourth, seamless integration. For many, life runs on Google Workspace. The tool must play nice with Google Calendar, Drive, and Gmail. Finally, easy external access. Inviting clients for free without wanting to pull your hair out is essential. That's the scorecard. Let's see how Morningmate stacks up. All right, for those who just want the high-level summary, here's a quick scorecard. We're using Asana to represent the complex all-in-one tools and Trello to represent the simple Kanban tools. Here's the breakdown. Setup. Morningmate is incredibly easy to adopt, even for non-technical teams. Plus, they offer free onboarding, which is a game changer. Asana is powerful but notoriously complex to set up. Tasking depth. Asana wins on raw complexity, but Morningmate is surprisingly robust with subtasks, custom fields, and progress tracking, everything 90% of teams actually need. Collaboration. This is Morningmate's killer feature. Built-in chat and free client access. It's not an add-on, it's core to the product. Views and integrations. Morningmate is very competitive. It has the essential views and great Google Workspace integration. Morningmate wins big on collaboration and setup and holds its own everywhere else. Now, let's do a deep dive into the features that stand out. This is where Morningmate really shines. 1. The all-in-one workspace. This is the solution to the biggest problem. Look at this. This is the Morningmate dashboard. It's a social feed-style workspace. It feels like a company's internal social media, but every post is a task or an update. But here's the magic. See this task? You can comment on it right here, but what if you just have a general question for the team? You don't have to open Slack, you just click over to the built-in chat. This one feature, combining project management and team chat, eliminates so much context switching. It's not a PM tool with a comment section, it's a true simple collaboration platform. This is what more organized than WhatsApp and easier than Asana actually means in practice. 2. The collaboration and translation. This next one is incredible, especially for teams that work with international clients or freelancers. Morningmate has 48 language translation support built in. Look at this. Your UI is in English. A teammate in Korea can set theirs to Korean. When you write a comment, they see it in Korean. When they reply in Korean, you see it in English. This isn't just for the app's menus, it's for real-time translation of tasks, comments, and even chats. It completely breaks down language barriers. And speaking of collaboration, inviting clients is free and takes one click. No more paying for guest seats just so a client can come in and approve a design. This is a huge direct cost saver for freelancers and agencies. 3. The future, the AI agent. This is where things get really interesting. This is scheduled for an upgrade at the end of 2025, and it's a massive part of their plan. Morningmate is integrating a powerful AI agent with 3 core functions. First, the AI integrated service. Right now, you're probably paying for ChatGPT, maybe for Claude, maybe for Gemini. It's a mess of licenses and costs. Morningmate is integrating multiple AI models into one platform. You'll be able to choose the best AI for the job, all under a single subscription, minimizing costs. Second, the AI Project PM. This solves the blank page problem. Instead of you manually building out a project, you'll just tell the AI your goal. The AI will understand the project, organize all the tasks and subtasks, assign the right team members, and even set the schedules, all at once. This automates the most tedious part of being a PM. Third, the AI Smart Task Search. Let's be real, search in our PM tools is terrible. Morningmate's AI search will be contextual. You'll be able to ask, search for key data for a 100-person retail sales proposal. The AI will analyze the context of your work and find it. This is a massive efficiency boost. This AI upgrade isn't just a gimmick. It's designed to solve real everyday problems of cost, setup, and search. 4. The price and Google integrations. 2 other things must be mentioned. First, Google Workspace. It integrates perfectly. You can register Google Calendar schedules, Drive files, and even Gmails as tasks inside Morningmate. Second, the price. For growing teams, this is a breath of fresh air. Most tools use per-user pricing, which punishes you for growing. Morningmate has an advanced plan, a fixed price of $199 a month for teams of 20 to 300 members. Let's do the math. 50 users on Asana's advanced plan could be over $1,200 a month. On Morningmate, it's $199. For SMBs, that's a massive, predictable saving. Now, to be fair, Morningmate is not the perfect tool for everyone. If your organization is a 500-person enterprise and you need extremely deep, complex, custom field-driven automations and custom scripting, a tool like Asana on its most expensive plan is still the king of raw, hardcore complexity. And if you are a solo freelancer and all you want is a digital wall of sticky notes and absolutely nothing else, then Trello's free plan is still the undefeated champion of pure simplicity. But here's the reality after testing all of these. 90% of teams do not need that enterprise-level complexity. We think we do, but we end up using 10% of the features while paying 100% of the price. And a simple Trello board breaks down the second you add more than 2 people. Morningmate is built for that 90% in the middle. It's the perfect balance of simplicity and power. So what's the final verdict? In my testing, Morningmate is a genuine game changer. It finally delivers on the all-in-one promise without being a bloated, confusing mess. It can truly become the new central hub for a team and its clients. If you're a freelancer, project manager, or an SMB owner who is just tired of the chaos, it is highly recommended you try it. And now for the best part. The Morningmate team has provided an incredible 2025 promo. This is one of the best deals we've ever seen. First, all new users get a 30-day free trial plus an extra 2 weeks. That's 6 weeks to try out every single feature for free. Second, this is the big one. The first 100 users who sign up with that link and pay for their first month will get 12 months of unlimited access. You pay for 1 month, you get the entire year. Third, you will also get a free onboarding service valued at $3,000. That means their team will personally help you set up your entire workflow, migrate your projects, and train your team all for free. This is the perfect way to try it out, risk-free, and get a massive discount if you like it. That link is right at the top of the description. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let us know if you're going to give Morningmate a try. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more honest tool reviews.